Welcome to the Weather Centre as we start to wrap up the work week. The autumn equinox will occur after midnight tonight, and that represents a change in season as we head into autumn. Over the last couple of months, the sun rays have been directly over the southern hemisphere, but on the equinox, the sun is situated directly over the equator, resulting in an equal number of hours of day and night. And from here onwards, we'll start to see those days getting shorter and the nights longer as we head towards winter. Friday, though, things stay warm across South Africa with a predominantly dry forecast. We'll see some cloud along South Africa's coastline with a partly cloudy and hot day for KwaZulu-Natal. Fine and dry as we head over the central part of South Africa with isolated thundershowers mainly over the northeastern and eastern interior. It'll be a dry and windy day for much of the Northern Cape, and because of that, there's a high fire danger rating over parts of the Northern and Western Cape with runaway fires possible. Here's our rainfall probability map showing that band of isolated thundershowers extending over Mpumalanga as well as parts of Limpopo and KwaZulu-Natal, and even into parts of Gauteng and the Free State, with a dry forecast for the rest of South Africa. Here you'll see those warm to hot temperatures across the country. 27 degrees for Johannesburg and Bethlehem, 28 as we head into Cape Town and Port Elizabeth, with a high of 30 degrees for George and Bishu, as well as Pietermaritzburg and Richards Bay, including Bombela, Polokwane and Pretoria. 33 degrees as we head into Kimberley and Graaff-Reinet, with maximums in the middle and upper 30s for Vredendal and Uppington, with a sizzling hot forecast. Good beach conditions are expected along the west coast with a moderate southwesterly wind for Alexander Bay. More of a moderate northwester is expected for Namaqualand and Langebaan, with a 1.5 metres southwesterly swell along the west coast. Fresh northwesterly winds are forecast for Cape Town, with a moderate northwesterly wind for Hermanus and a light northeasterly wind for Cape Agulhas. In the southwest, we're expecting a 2 metre southwesterly swell, and that comes from the southwest. Good beach conditions are expected for Mussel Bay and Plettenberg Bay with a light northeasterly wind. We'll see more of a southeasterly in the afternoon, with fresh winds on the forecast for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth with a predominantly easterly component to the wind, and along the south coast we'll see a 2 metre southwesterly swell. Good beach conditions are expected along the east coast other than in East London, where moderate beach conditions are expected due to a fresh northeaster. A light to moderate southeasterly wind is forecast for Richards Bay and Durban, and along the east coast we're expecting a 1.5 metre southeasterly swell with low tide expected at around 10 to 10 in the morning. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a wonderful Friday.